how to turn off the NSFW filter on Character AI. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the NSFW filter on Character AI. If you've been looking for a way to disable this feature and explore more content on Character AI, you're in the right place. First things first, go ahead and open the Character AI website or the app. If you haven't done it already, you can easily find it by searching for Character AI in your browser or app store. Once you've opened the app or website, make sure you're logged into your Character AI account. Next, you'll want to navigate to your account settings. To do that, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will open up a menu where you can access your settings. In the settings menu, look for an option related to the content filtering. This might be labeled something like NSFW filter or content filters. It's usually under privacy or security settings. Once you've found the NSFW filter setting, you'll see an option to toggle it on or off. Simply switch it off to disable the NSFW content filter. This will allow you to access content that was previously filtered out. After turning off the filter, you might see a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to disable it. Confirm your choice and you should be all set. Now you can access a wider range of content with the Character AI.